Today, we're delving into the world of outdoor grills, where the sizzle of steaks and the scent of charcoal create the ultimate culinary experience. Beyond the delicious meals they produce, grills are the heart of social gatherings. They transform ordinary moments into unforgettable occasions. But it's not just about the experience. Outdoor grills offer unparalleled versatility. From searing juicy steaks to smoking tender ribs, they empower you to unleash your inner chef. Join us as we explore the best outdoor grills on the market. And remember, the links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Let's ignite your passion for outdoor cooking and dive into the delicious world of grilling. Starting of our list with the Weber Smokefire. The Weber Smokefire offers the best of both worlds, combining the convenience of gas grills with the rich, smoky flavor of charcoal. With digital temperature controls, a pair of thermometer probes, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and adjust your cooking with ease using the phone app. One of the standout features of the Smokefire is its ability to deliver true smoky flavor with easy temperature control. Its spacious cooking area of 672 square inches provides ample room to grill up a feast for family and friends. However, it's worth noting that the grill may struggle to maintain very high temperatures for quick searing. Despite this minor drawback, the Weber Smokefire impresses with its versatility and performance. Whether you're smoking low and slow or grilling hot and fast, this grill delivers consistent results. Its sturdy construction and convenient features make it a worthy investment for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. At number 4 we have the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Outdoor Grill and Smoker. Let's fire it up and see what this bad boy can do. One of the standout features of this grill is its versatility. With 7 cooking functions including grilling, smoking, roasting, baking, dehydrating, air crisping, and broiling, you're truly spoiled for choice. On the plus side, its compact size makes it perfect for small outdoor spaces, and the easy cleanup with the non-stick grill grate and disposable grease tray liners is a huge time saver. However, it's worth noting that the grill's cooking surface might be a bit small for larger gatherings, and the stand is sold separately, which adds to the overall cost. With the Ninja Woodfire XL grill, you're not just grilling, you're mastering outdoor cooking. Utilize the mobile app to monitor and control your grill remotely, ensuring perfect results every time. Thanks to the 2 built-in thermometers, you'll have precise temperature control, guaranteeing your dishes are cooked to perfection. Next up we have the Monument Denali 605, a grill that strikes the perfect balance between modern innovation, affordability, and quality craftsmanship. One of the standout features of the Denali is its smart technology. With temperature probes that connect to your phone via an app, you can monitor your food's temperature remotely and receive alerts when it's done to perfection. The Denali's generous size makes it perfect for entertaining a crowd, and the even cooking ensures that every dish turns out tender and delicious. Plus, the side burner allows you to prepare side dishes simultaneously with ease. Now, let's talk about the downside. The assembly process can be time-consuming and frustrating, with unclear instructions requiring some guesswork. However, once assembled, the Denali performs flawlessly, making it worth the effort. At number 2 we have the Kamado Joe Classic 2. Let's explore what makes this grill a top-notch investment for any barbecue aficionado. First off, let's talk about what we like about this grill. The Kamado Joe Classic 2 excels in insulation and heat retention, thanks to its ceramic construction. This means you can maintain consistent temperatures for hours, making it perfect for slow smoking or high-heat grilling. Additionally, the Classic 2 doubles as a smoker, allowing you to infuse your food with that delicious smoky flavor. Plus, its sturdy will ensure stability and safety during use. Now, on to the cons. The Classic 2 is undeniably heavy, which can make it challenging to move around. Additionally, learning how much charcoal to use and preventing overheating may take some practice and experimentation. What sets the Kamado Joe Classic 2 apart is its robust frame, adjustable grate, and multiple grate levels, providing you with endless cooking possibilities. Its weatherproof design ensures durability, while the ash catchment system simplifies cleanup after each use. While it may have a few drawbacks, its superior insulation, fuel efficiency, and versatility make it a standout choice for serious grill masters. Topping our list, at number 1 we have the Weber Gas Grill, a standout option for those seeking durability, thoughtful design, and easy cleanability at a great price point. The Weber gas grill offers exceptional value, delivering durability, thoughtful design, and easy cleanability without breaking the bank. Its sturdy build and ergonomic design ensure top-notch construction and balance, earning it high marks in performance. However, it's worth noting a potential drawback: the external lid thermometer may not always provide accurate readings. While the grill is responsive and easy to regulate temperature-wise, we found discrepancies between the external thermometer and actual internal temperatures. Despite this minor issue, the Weber gas grill impresses with its cooking performance and spacious cooking area, 529 square inches, making it suitable for grilling up to 15 burgers at once. The grill's 3 burners, with a total output of 30,000 BBQs, ensure even heat distribution for consistent results. As we conclude our journey through the world of BBQ grills, it's clear that each grill offers its own unique blend of features, performance, and value. Whether you're drawn to the convenience of gas grills, the rich flavor of charcoal, or the versatility of pellet grills, there's a perfect option out there for every outdoor cooking enthusiast. Now, it's time to fire up those grills, gather your friends and family, and create unforgettable memories around the grill. From all of us here, happy grilling!